Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl aanasmira and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. It's one of my favorite things. So yes, today I am doing an unboxing video and it's from a company that I've actually never purchased from before. So it's gonna be a first. It is from Rebag. They are a online boutique, but I think they also have freestanding stores. They're kind of like, they're a consignment store. I've been wanting this bag since like 2018, but I never could like get myself to buy it. So when I saw it, I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and get it. It's been a bag that I've been wanting for a very long time. So yeah, and I got it a little bit less than retail, which is nice, just a little bit, not that much, but yeah, so let's dig into this box to see what I got. If y'all want to see more videos like this, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Anyone who watches this and they're not subscribed to me, please subscribe to me, please. I promise I'm entertaining. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So yeah, let's dig into this box. So I watched a couple of unboxing or unbagging videos with Rebag. So I'm kind of nervous because I noticed that they don't have the original felt with them, which is kind of weird to me. So this is how it comes packaged, that bubble wrap. Little card from Rebag talking about the vault. I guess it's the Rebag app, I guess. So here's the felt that they give you, which I think is booty. They should totally give you the original felt that the bag came with, but you know, whatever. So yeah, this is how the felt looks, which is humongous. Y'all need to have like multiple size felts. Like, this is ridiculous for the size bag that I got. But yeah, so this is how it looks. In the bag that I got is the Louis Vuitton New Wave belt bag and crossbody. They could have totally packaged this better. Like, I'm so happy the front of this and the back of this are in like pretty decent condition. Like, I'm not mad at it, but like, how they did this strap, they did it fucking dirty. Like, they could have wrapped up the strap and just put it in the bag. But yeah. Now, the beauty of Rebag is that I think I saw in the email that I have 180 days to decide like if I want to return or like exchange, which I feel like is a very decent time frame to have a luxury item, because I know Louis Vuitton, like, their return policy is 30 days. And then like Hermes, like, you can't return, like, you can only exchange. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool that they give you a lot of time to decide if you want to keep the bag or not. But it is so beautiful. I'm so happy I got it. Like, I'm in love. It looks so good. Like, I'm really impressed. Let me look at the inside. Oh my gosh, it does come with the felt. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, y'all don't understand. Cause like Louis Vuitton, they don't just give out felts. So, cause when I was watching videos, I saw other people like when they pulled out their bag, it didn't have the original felt that it came with. Oh, y'all don't understand. I'm so relieved right now. Woo. Cause like anytime, like felts are super important. Like anytime you don't use any of your bags, like you should always put them in their felt just to protect not only like the leather, but like keeping the dust off of it and like keeping moisture off of it. It's just good for the bag. So I'm so relieved it comes with the felt. Thank God. Yay. Cool. I'm so happy. It looks so good. And it was made in Italy. And I'm not one of those people like, oh, I need it to be made in France. I need it to be made in whatever. Yay, I'm so happy. It looks good. But yeah, so what drew me to this crossbody is that, one, it's a crossbody. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I love me a good crossbody. I even have, what is this? So it's like the Rebag ID. I didn't even know this was a thing. So it tells me the date code, the brand, and the model. And it's certified authentic by Rebag. That's cool. So yeah, okay, like I was saying, if you follow me on Instagram, y'all know I love a good crossbody. Like if I'm wearing a bag, it's usually a crossbody or a wristlet. I freaking love wristlets. So when I saw this, I was like, ooh, I really want this bag like so bad. And then it can also be a belt bag. It can be a bum bag. So like a fanny pack, which is awesome because fanny packs are super in fashion right now. They are back and on the scene. So this can be 3 different things in one bag. So I just thought that it was awesome. And y'all know hearts and stars are like my favorite shapes. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, y'all, I gotta get this. So it's been discontinued. They might bring it back, but I was searching for it, so I got it, and I'm really happy that I have it. So yeah. So I went to go get my old iPhone because one of the drawbacks with this bag, when I first tried it out, the iPhone like 8 Plus, which is what I have, doesn't really fit in this bag comfortably. But I did hear that Apple is coming out with the iPhone 12 and it is gonna have, and there will be a mini version of the 12, which I'll probably get because to be honest with you, I hate the iPhone 8 Plus. Like, it's great for pictures and videos and stuff, but like I went from an iPhone 5 to an 8 Plus. That's a huge jump. That's like so many versions ahead of of what I originally had. Like, I love this size. This size fit in everything. I could put it in my pocket. I could put it in my bra. It's just, I just love this size. So when the iPhone 12 comes out, I'm more than likely gonna get the mini. I still hope that it gives you the same like picture quality and all that stuff that the iPhone Pro Max or whatever the fuck is coming out, like the big ass computer phone that's gonna come out. I hope it has the same features because honestly, I miss my small phone. I miss my baby phone. I loved having a little phone. I'm petite. Like, why do I need a freaking iPad for a phone? I don't. So yeah, I'm really excited. So I wanted to test out my 5 to see if it works. And it does. It fits perfectly. And like all of my wallets, besides for like one, they're small. I have like coin pouches and like compact wallets. So this is perfect for me. Like, I love small crossbodies, so this is just perfect. And I'm so excited that I have it. And yeah, I can't wait to wear it. I can't wait to wear it out. I wish Rhoda was fucking over so I could wear her. Oh my gosh. And honestly, like, like you don't even need a wallet because it has this little pocket here where you could put like your ID and your credit card. You can fit your keys in here, your lip gloss, and honey, you're good to go, okay? So yeah, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. And I'm definitely gonna try to straighten out this strap because they fucked up with this. Like, she should have been rolled up in the bag. But I am so relieved that I have the felt. Strap is kind of dirty, but it is secondhand, so beggars can't be choosers. Yeah, I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. So I don't think that I will be returning her. It's got like the rainbow Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. I have a mirror here so I can make sure everything's looking right and tight, okay? So I keep looking over it. But yeah, this is so cute. And like, I know YSL, they did a heart bag like this. And like, honestly, if I didn't get my hands on this, I was gonna get that one instead. But I'm so glad that I got this one. I love it so much. It's so cute. It's so cute. I love it. So cute. And it can even go longer, which is nice. Yeah, because that was on the shortest length, so it can go even longer. But I don't mind my crossbodies being like up here. Some people are weird about their crossbodies sitting up there, but like, if you notice like bloggers and like influencers and models, they all pretty much wear their crossbody bags like up on their waist. So yeah, I'm excited. I mean, there's some wrinkles here and there, but you're gonna get that with calfskin leather. Like calfskin leather, lamb leather, any of the soft, supple leathers, like wrinkling is gonna happen. So you just gotta get over that shit. So yeah, I'm really happy. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy. If you guys made it through this video, thank you so much for staying tuned. I greatly appreciate it. Please make sure to like this video. Make sure to comment and subscribe. If you guys have actually purchased from Rebag before, let me know what you guys ended up getting in the comments. If you guys want to see me do more unbagging, unboxing videos, please give this a thumbs up. Leave me what kind of video you guys want me to do next in the comments, and make sure to follow me on all my social media at aanasmira, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.